Good morning, everyone. Let's unbox this. It's a surprise. We don't know what's inside. We don't know if it's for Dad, for Rai, or for Dad, for Drake, or for Ate Yancy. Huh? Yeah, I'm opening the box. It's a surprise. Let's see. What's it for? Ito may dagang boxes coming na. Close your eyes.
I think that's for Drake.
Okay, here it is. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! And it's for
Dada!
This is the Nike Air Force One. Nike Air Force One. Wow, nice shoes. May I have the other one? Make sure it doesn't get dirty. Very nice. Si Uncle Ansis na ana actually ani. Sweet rami.
San Anselmo. See, very fine ang detail niya. Borrow?
Help me, Kuno Dad.
Borrow? Thank you.
Oh, look here, look here. Look here. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you today?
Okay.
Kokoy. You finish your food. What are you eating, Rai? Hot dog? Okay, finish your hot dog. Okay, sit down. What are you doing? Maybe. Kumusta? How does it feel? Nice? Tanawan sa isa itong ko, Francis. Alright, that's all for today. That's all for today, folks.